तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा हफ्तावार न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग करें, आपको दिखाते हैं।
is mining and infrastructure development. On the invitation of President Ilham Aliyev, Prime Minister Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif paid a state visit to Azerbaijan from 24th to 25th February 2025. During their detailed interaction, the two sides expressed the desire to further strengthen collaboration across multiple sectors, including trade and investment, and to explore joint investment projects in the areas of energy, infrastructure, investment, and connectivity. The visit concluded with the signing of various agreements and MOUs between the two countries to promote cooperation in different areas. At the invitation of President Shavkat Mirziyoyev, Prime Minister Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif paid an official visit to the Republic of Uzbekistan from 25th to 26th February 2025. The visit underscored the deep-rooted historic and fraternal ties between Pakistan and Uzbekistan and reaffirmed the commitment of the leadership of both countries to further strengthen bilateral cooperation. During the visit, both parties shared their perspectives on improving collaboration across various sectors such as trade, connectivity, culture, and exchanges between people. The discussions emphasized the advancement of regional connectivity via the Trans-Afghan Railway and trade corridors, aligning with the mutual goal of promoting peace, stability, and prosperity in the area. On the invitation of Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs of United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, held a bilateral meeting in Abu Dhabi on 21st February 2025. During the meeting, the two leaders engaged in comprehensive discussions to enhance bilateral cooperation across key sectors, including trade, investment, energy, defense, and people-to-people contacts. Both sides also exchanged views on regional and global developments. The Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, traveled to New York to participate in the high-level meeting of the United Nations Security Council on practicing multilateralism, reforming and improving global governance, held on 18th February 2025. The ministerial meeting was convened by China during its rotating presidency of the UN Security Council. In his remarks, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister emphasized the need for international cooperation and commitment to multilateralism and called for upholding principles of the UN Charter, including self-determination, the non-use of force, respect for sovereignty, and the peaceful resolution of disputes. The Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister expressed deep concerns over the grave situation in occupied Palestine and Gaza and the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. On the sidelines of the UNSC meeting, the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister met the members of Political Bureau of CPC Central Committee and Minister of Foreign Affairs Wang Yi, United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres, Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Engineer Walid Abdul Karim Al Khareji, and Foreign Minister and Minister of Trade of Hungary. During the meeting, both sides exchanged views on multifaceted areas of cooperation. Global and regional issues of shared interest were also discussed. DPM and the Foreign Minister also addressed permanent representative of members of the Organization of Islamic Conference on the sidelines of the ministerial meeting. During his engagement and interaction with the Pakistan community in New York, he highlighted Pakistan's progress in combating terrorism, strengthening economic stability, and fostering a secure and business-friendly environment. Director General of the International Atomic Energy Agency, Rafael Mariano Grossi, visited Pakistan on 12th, 13th February 2025. During the visit, DGIAEA called on the Prime Minister and Deputy Prime Minister. Director General Grossi also met with the Chairman of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission and the Chairman of Pakistan Nuclear Regulatory Authority. He participated in the international conference organized by Pakistan chapter of Women in Nuclear Field, visited the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Oncology, Lahore, and an under construction Chashma Power Plant Unit 5 or C5. The second round of Pakistan-UK counter-terrorism dialogue took place in London from 17 to 18 February 2025. Pakistan delegation was led by Director General for Counter-Terrorism, Ambassador Abdul Hamid, and the UK side was headed by Joint Director for National Security, Foreign and Commonwealth Office, Kitty Jenkins. Both sides exchanged views on situation in Afghanistan, global and regional landscape, and on the security threats posed by terrorist entities. The talks included the exchange of best practices in the area of law enforcement, security, criminal justice, rule of law, countering financing for terrorism, and capacity building. Pakistan and the European Union held their 9th counter-terrorism dialogue in Brussels on 20th February 2025. The respective delegations were led by Director General for Counter-Terrorism, Ambassador Abdul Hamid, and Director for Security and Defense Policy at the European External Action Service. The two delegations discussed cooperation on counter-terrorism, condemned terrorism in all its forms, and reaffirmed their commitment to fight against it. The fourth round of Pakistan-Japan counter-terrorism consultations were convened in Tokyo on 26 February 2025. The Pakistan delegation was led by Additional Secretary UN Ambassador Nabil Munir, while the Japanese side was led by Ambassador in charge of International Cooperation for Countering Terrorism and International Organized Crime, Minami Hiroyuki. During the discussions, the two sides stressed assessed evolving terrorist threats at national and regional level and reiterated their resolve to combat terrorism in all its forms and manifestation.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा शफ़क़त अली ख़ान हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग दे रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर आज़म की दावत पर अबू धाबी के वली अहद ने दौरा किया जो बहुत अच्छा रहा।